very good. I'm in the cattle my father was too, from great-great-grandfather all the way through. And I scarcely have wasted an hour of daylight sticking to Herefords, it's been alright. Prepared for the lean times and saved for the drought, but you can't always plan how the future turns out. Life's getting harder to make what we need, with low cattle prices and more mouths to feed. Oh, it's 6 generations where camels run free. I hope I am never too blind to see how fortunate, how proud can an old fella be. 3 sons in their swags around the campfire with me. Sent the boys off to school to see Adelaide, how other folks live, get a job, learn a trade. Couldn't keep them away, cause their heart is still here. My butcher, my welder, my diesel engineer. Oh, 6 generations where camels run free. I hope I am never too blind to see how fortunate, how proud can an old fella be. 3 sons in their swags around the stock camp with me. And they're coming for dinner, the sun hits the rain. In a matter of seconds, the colours will change. From gold and to violet, the soul has been burned, and I understand fully why they have returned. For I'm in the cattle my father was too, from great-great-grandfather all the way through. And we've never been guilty of wasting daylight. We work hard, we play hard, and we sleep well at night. Oh, 6 generations where camels run free. I hope I am never too blind to see how fortunate, how proud can an old fella be. 3 sons in their swags around the stock camp with me. 3 sons in their swags round the campfire at me.